Application of the five elements, mutual influences of disorders of the five Zhang's organs in TCM. Understanding the five elements in TCM. The five element theory, wood, fire, earth, metal, water, explain physiological and pathological relationships among the five Zhang organs. It is crucial for understanding disease transmission and inter-organ dynamics. The five elements and their associated Zhang organs. Wood is liver, fire is heart, earth is spleen, metal is lung, water is kidney. The generating Sheng cycle. This cycle describes how each organ nourishes the next in a sequence. Liver, heart, spleen, lung, kidney, liver. It represents a supportive and fostering relationship. Mother affecting child. A diseased mother organ may fail to nourish its child, leading to deficiency in the child organ. Example, liver blood deficiency, wood, fails to nourish the heart, fire, causing heart blood deficiency with palpitations and insomnia. Conversely, a diseased child organ may drain its mother, leading to deficiency in the mother organ. Example, excessive heart fire consumes yin and affects the liver, wood leading to liver yin deficiency and dizziness. The controlling cause cycle. The controlling cycle shows how each element restrains another. Wood controls earth, earth controls water, water controls fire, fire controls metal, metal controls wood. This relationship maintains balance. Cause cycle, overreacting Cheng cycle. An overreacting relationship occurs when a controlling organ becomes excessively strong and attacks the controlled organ. Example, liver qi stagnation, wood excess, overreacts on the spleen, earth, causing poor appetite, bloating, and abdominal pain. Insulting Wu cycle. The insulting relationships when the controlled organ becomes strong and counterattacks its controller. Example, spleen dampness, earth excess, insults the liver, wood, aggravating liver qi stagnation and emotional disturbances. Sheng cycle examples of disease transmission. Liver blood deficiency, wood, causing heart blood deficiency, fire. Heart yang deficiency, fire, weakening spleen yang, earth. Spleen qi deficiency, earth, leading to lung qi deficiency, metal. Chronic lung disease, metal, affecting kidney qi, water. Kidney yin deficiency, water, causing liver yin deficiency, wood. Cause cycle, examples of disease transmission. Liver qi stagnation, wood, attacking the spleen, earth. Spleen deficiency, earth, causing fluid retention and kidney dysfunction, water. Kidney yin deficiency, water, leading to heat, fire, flare-up, fire. Clinical significance of five-element theory. Identify the root and branch of disease. Predict disease transmission from one organ to another. Develop treatment strategies based on inter-organ relationships. Select appropriate acupuncture points and herbal formulas. Understand complex syndromes involving multiple Zhang organs. Core principle of Zhang organ interaction. Disease in one Zhang organ can impact its mother, child, controller, or controlled organ. This mutual impact term transmission clarifies how disorders can spread within the five-element system. Holistic understanding in TCM. The five-element theory provides a crucial framework for understanding how disorders of the liver, heart, spleen, lung, and kidney influence one another, guiding holistic diagnosis and treatment in traditional Chinese medicine.